Everyone, so today we're going to be organizing my makeup vanity. As you guys can see, it is an absolute mess, and it has been for like a few months. I mean, I have a freaking shirt and a bag over top of my eyeshadow palettes. It's just a mess. So if you guys want to see how I personally organize my vanity, then just keep watching. Basically, in this video, I'm just showing you me cleaning my vanity. Like, it's nothing special. I'm literally just organizing things, but I do like the end result. I like that I have everything put away, and I like how everything is more spacious because I really hate clutter, but sometimes I am a mess when it comes to my vanity. Well, how's your guys' day going? Because I have no idea what I'm supposed to like voice over for this because it's kind of all straightforward. I'm literally just cleaning my vanity. I'm organizing. I'm putting stuff away. I'm, like it's just a process. Honestly, though, my room is so warm half the time that I was sweating like crazy when I was filming this. I did do a few parts actually. So this is part one. This is like my front of my vanity, and then I'm gonna have my eyeshadow palettes, my skincare. All of that will be in separate organization videos. If you guys are wondering, the painting that I have on my mirror, I actually got from my best friend. She painted it for me, which, is, I always keep it there so I can see it every day. She is my favorite person. I love her so much. We've been friends since grade 2. If you guys have any video ideas that you'd like to see me do, let me know because I honestly need video ideas. I do like organizing videos, so I am doing more organization videos and I am doing more haul videos, stuff like that, but I would like to know what you guys want to see. So basically, this is what my vanity ends up looking like, and I'm pretty happy. Like, it's still cluttered, don't get me wrong. I have way too much stuff, but my entire bedroom's cluttered, so I don't hate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.